This is such a plus.
So, we have, this is all the production and design side of things. We have, Dan, who's one of our project architects. Glenn and Josh are working on a new school in Jersey City. It's finally out to bid, construction is starting, and you can see the thickness of this set that for a brand new school, a lot of drawings.
231 sheets.
They all get put together to...
And I have to pretty much know every single thing that's in here.
Conference room, and then we get into the business side of things down at this end. So, at the end of the day, it is still a business. We try to make a little money along the way, and so we have our business office and bookkeeper who does all the invoicing and things like that.
Welcome, glad you're here. So I'll let Marcus continue the little tour around, and then I'll go join you in the conference room and hear how you guys are doing. And hey, John, how are you?
So much of our work entails school design. So, we always hear it from the owner of the building, the principal, the superintendent, the teachers, but we rarely get the input from students. So it really is cool for us. And secondly, I want to congratulate you on being able to advance this school design, because I think, two things. It's going to have an impact in what happens for your charter school in Plainville, but at the same time, I think it also is helping you to see the design process, understand some of the things that go into it. The design process for a school, like 3/4 of it, is really kind of idea-based.
First, yes, Barack Obama Green Charter High School. Knowing by green, when we the name green, our mission is to be sustainable. And thanks to you guys, you guys helped us with the space and also the spacing, and because of him, he put a lot of commitment to the SketchUp program. So we're just working together, and we're helping out, and we're also making a little model.
Yeah, and just trying things. And I would say, you taking over an existing building and recycling it, repurposing it, is inherently sustainable and green. So you really should be very proud that it has a sustainable an approach as you can make. It's just really take that. And then what you're also doing is taking a building that has now not only a previous life, but really has only a certain low level of value in a community, and you're bringing an education, one of the most vital components for a community is thriving education and alternative choices. And so you're really kind of elevating the whole value, which is going to have a ripple effect around your neighbors and the context within it.
It's actually across from a park, and it's near the train station, so there's also a public transportation aspect. The park right across the street has a basketball court, a football court.
That's cool.
It's near kind of the center of the city of Plainfield, so that's also good. We try to design to keep all the classes together and near bathrooms, and I couldn't figure out the doors, so some of these open spaces around here, it's this would be the main entrance of that, and then this would be the back, the auditorium gym area. This would be the drama room, and then this would be the stage, so the drama room could have a door that connects to the stage, so it would be easier access for them. All the yellow classrooms are regular sized classrooms, and then all the red classrooms are double sized. There's 6 bathrooms in all total, and then this area in the center is a little bit higher than the rest of the building.
And all of this fits within the existing building there?
Yes.
Perfect.
The blue here is a media center, so a library, a tech lab, and then this pink one right here is the guidance counselor. I already talked to the guidance counselor at our school, and there's going to be 2 guidance counselors by next year, so I made it the size of a regular classroom, so there would be more space for the both of them. And then this purple one right here is the nurse's office. And then we also talked about having a green wall, a whole back wall right here. These rooms, so we'll get natural light into the building.
Tell me about the green wall and the plants. I want to hear why you think that's important.
Have more air. Like, and plus using that part, right? That's the nurse office. Even the green part is also the bathroom. You want when the person goes out of the bathroom, you're gonna smell good air. That's what I like about green walls. So like more air, and it smells better, and it makes it breathe better.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's great.
We want to, be happy in our surroundings, so we can think and, work harder.
I mean, it also improves our image of what we're trying to do is being sustainable.
That's right.
Having a brick
Right.
wall is good for
It's in your
decoration.
face, right?
Yeah.
It's like you see it all the time, you're going by, it's an obvious message, that's reinforcing that message.
We thought about like making that also like window panes of glass so you can actually see into, so you can see the walls when you walk through the hallways.
We also picked this spot because we don't want it where a lot of noise, because behind is the train passage, so we want it where it's very quiet, so nobody will be disturbed.
That makes sense.
That's the best spot. We focusing on the interior, inside, then if it really will fit in each design, maybe we have to change something. Yeah, maybe it won't, right, we have to do something different. Just make sure everything will balance with everything.
So you bring it down to a scale, or have you even brought it down to the scale where you can try some furniture layouts, just make sure, see how many people fit in the squares and that kind of stuff? And how about for the macro, what is it going to look like? What kind of materials are going to use? Are you talking about materials and choices and colors? And
Something that makes our school different from all the other schools, like sustainable products, so everything we buy or everything that we use will be sustainable. That's the key goal for our school.
I know we talked about like keeping, like using the old building as the most sustainable. So like whatever we take out, we can just reuse it. And so like we don't actually have to spend money to buy things. We already have it because we got it from the building.
Bianca, is there an easy way that they can start to work within SketchUp and start to model different materials on the outside so that they can, drop in windows, drop in brick, drop in solar panels and things like that?
And actually get them to go to the
Well,
side.
sit down and just start drawing.
But I mean, that's the idea behind it. We want to build things. This is all.